the shop that I thought you might be interested in seeing. Just give this a clean and see what we've got. Interested in seeing? Just give this a clean and we'll see what we've got. Well, first up I've got this came as a job lot. I've got a nice selection of solid carbide milling cutters. Some of them are bull nose. Those two are bull nose. There's some 2 flute and also 3 flute. There's some really tiny ones there. I don't know what size that one is, but I mean that's less than a millimetre. Not quite sure what I'm likely to use that on, but I can't see them ever getting much smaller than that. Up from that we've got some, this is a 3 flute, yeah, 3.5 millimetre. That's a 3 flute, yeah, 5.25. Then we're up to 7.8, and then the 2 larger ones. Those look to be the same size. That's a bull nose. Yeah, about 7.6. So there's a nice selection there. And I've already mounted one up. This is the Ericsson DA180 collet with a straight shank on that I picked up some while ago. And I've mounted this one up into one of the collets. That's 3.3. So that's the way I intend using these. Let's see what I've got. I've got an AR 40 chucks that fits into with a international 40 tape from. It fits into both my milling machines. And I put the correct size collet in. So that's the way I'm going to be using those. They're mounted vertically or horizontally. So that's those. Now this is a 8" by 1/4 by 1". The 1" refers to the diameter of the arbor on the milling machines. Both the arbors that I've got are 1". I believe they do a 1 1/4 as well, but the 1" suits what I've got. But that's an 8" by 1/4, and it's the largest milling cutter that I've got, diameter wise, and I don't believe this has ever been used. So let's see if I can mount that up into the horizontal mill. what I intend working on, guys, are these two pieces. This is a square chunk. This came with a job lot of engineering tools that I picked up a couple of weeks ago. Not sure what it was originally used for, but intention is I'm going to try and split this down the centre and make two parallels out of it. But it looks as though it's pretty tough stuff. So the pile is touching it, so that looks promising. I've also got this very large lathe tool with a large radius on, carbide tipped. Let's have a see what size this is. Yeah, it's 1.25 inches. Well, my Holbrook lathe takes a 3/4 inch tool. So I'm going to split this bottom side off, then I'll be able to use it on Holbrook. First off, guys, I'll mount this on the Victoria vertical mill and see how this, what size was this? Yeah, 3.5 millimeters. We'll see how that goes on. I don't intend going the full depth with that milling cutter. I'm going to go in 2 or 3 millimeters, and then I think I'll mount it in a vise and cut through with one of the cutting discs on the angle grinder. And then once I've got it split into two, I can mount it on the surface grinder and knock that into shape. This one, I'm going to see how this 8-inch cutter cuts with it, and so I'll try that one, see if that's hardened. No, again the pile's touching it, so yeah, I'll give it a try with this, and then I may halfway through swap over to one of the Pearson side cutters and take majority off with that, and then again mount it onto the surface grinder for a finish.
Very impressive. Thank you, folks. Thank you.